Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. It's George with Task Force Off-Road, and today we're working on, not the project jet ski. We're working on my 2019 SEADOO GTX because I have a very easy and cheap part to install. So I'm gonna set up the camera and I'll show you guys what I got. But you know what? First, we got to get rid of that cover, so go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have the storage bin organizer, which honestly, I wish I got this a long time ago for last season, because having little stuff like snacks and sunscreen and things just in this one place like this just makes life a lot easier when it comes to being out on the water and a lot more stable. So we're gonna get in on how to install this. It's gonna be a nice short video, good for you guys in the quarantine to just do something a little bit different. I hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, so obviously your first step is going to be to open up that storage compartment. Okay. Now, it looks like all of the screws we need to access are pre-drilled, which is awesome. I thought I was gonna have to drill on the plastic. So this is gonna be super, super easy. So now we can go and set this guy in place. Yep, just slides right perfect. It's like it was made for it. And now, we can get our hardware, and it looks to be a Torx screwdriver. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get the screws and we're gonna put this thing in place. I'm gonna go find the right bit for this. So I found the bit in my trusty Milwaukee bit set. So we're just gonna start screwing these guys in by hand, and then I'm gonna use my little impact to finish it up. And I'm not gonna drop the camera. Perfect. Let's go to the other side. Oh, you weren't in. That's fun. Press in that one with the impact. Okay, there we go. And your turn. Okay. She ain't going nowhere. And now, you can sit in there, and you can sit in there, and boom, already got some of it used. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I have some more stuff coming to my jet ski in the very near future, as in today's Sunday. I'm gonna post this video today. I'm picking it up tomorrow, or not tomorrow, I'm working tomorrow. I'm picking it up Tuesday, actually, guys. So I have more jet ski stuff coming in the very, very near future. We have a lot of work to do on this ski that I haven't even started yet. So I'll tell you what this is. We're gonna be installing a depth finder on my ski here. It's gonna be the SEADOO one, so it's gonna be kind of fun to figure out how that's gonna work. I'm kind of excited to do it. And I'm thinking about installing the heated grips as well. That should be a fun install too. Oh, there's bugs everywhere right now. But yeah guys, that's all I got. It was a very short video, you know. I just wanted to give you something to watch during, you know, our quarantine. We're in a kind of shit situation, everyone around here. So like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you got played. It hurt, but you're okay.